going on, guys? This is Multicubing here, and this is my iteration of the Tower of the Winds puzzle. Just to be clear, this is not my original idea. I saw that someone else on this Discord I'm a part of made this, and I decided I'd like to try it. Full credit to Vladdy and Jason from Chewy's Custom Stickers for coming up with this idea and making it. I believe those are the guys who did it first, but I'm not 100% sure. Either way, this is my take on it. Nice thing about this puzzle is that, as you can see, you don't need stickers for it. Of course, to make it actually more hard, you'd have to have stickers or just way more colors of plastic, as these circles, you could say, should be different colors. By the way, this is still a fun puzzle as is. This one, unlike many of my 1x1x2 based puzzles, does in fact use a screw. The cap is there. I don't know if you can see it. I need to adjust my camera settings so you can see that better. There, now you can see it. So there is the cap, and yeah, once the cap is in, you can't really get it out again. So that's the thing with this. If like the screw comes out or something, then I'm gonna have to kind of destroy that cap. Either way. And the circle turning, so as you can see, the slice turning is pretty nice. And this turning of the circles varies, because sometimes it can get caught and stuff, and you have to have everything like really well aligned. The black circles turn the best, because they're using PLA, so they just perform differently. And so none of the circles are like particularly amazing. They usually take a couple tries to get going, and sometimes there are points where there's a lot of resistance because of how you have to force these centerpieces into the puzzle. But like once you get a circle going, it's usually fine. It's just that getting a turn started can be pretty tricky a lot of the time. The solve isn't very hard. It's pretty much like solving the edges on a 4x4, doing edge pairing, plus a little bit of extra maneuvering to get the pieces to where you want them to be, because of the nature of the puzzle. So yeah, it's not a very difficult solve. It's pretty fun. If the turning quality was better, it'd be something that I'd like to use more often. But since I've solved it once already, I don't know if I'm going to be doing it again. Oh, and another thing, to compare it next to a standard 56mm 3x3, this is how big it is. So in height, it is longer. I believe I made it 65mm tall, but the length is much less. I think it's like, this is like 45mm in that direction. So yeah, that's it for this puzzle. I hope you guys enjoyed. I thought it was quite a nice, simple puzzle, which looks kind of pretty as well. And yeah, so I'm Multicubing. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.